Students, we are on the last question of this exercise, and this question is about the adverb phrases. In the previous question, we have converted some ejective phrases into single ejective, but let's read this question, what this question is about. Replace each of the following underlined adverbs by an adverb phrase. So स्टूडेंट, इस क्वेश्चन में हमने थोड़ा वाइस वर्सा लेके चलना है पिछले क्वेश्चन से। वो ये है कि पिछले क्वेश्चन में हमने इजेक्टिव फ्रेजेस को सिंगल इजेक्टिव में कन्वर्ट किया था, लेकिन इस क्वेश्चन में हमें सिंगल एडवर्ब्स दिए गए हैं और हमने उनको एडवर्ब फ्रेजेस में कन्वर्ट करना है। लेट्स सी हाउ वी कैन डू दिस। द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज द पिजन फ्लाइज स्विफ्टली। यहां पे स्विफ्टली हमारे पास एडवर्ब है, इसको हम कुछ यूं चेंज कर सकते हैं दैट द पिजन फ्लाइज एट अ स्विफ्ट स्पीड। एट अ स्विफ्ट स्पीड इज अ एडवर्ब फ्रेज कंसिस्ट ऑफ 4 वर्ड्स एट अ स्विफ्ट स्पीड। द सेकंड इज ही बिल्ट हिज हाउस देयर। देयर इज अ single, we can say adverb, or we can say adverb of place. We have to convert here into adverb phrase. He built his house at that place. At that place is a combination of 3 words and can be easily referred as adverb phrase. The third is he tried hard. So we can easily convert this statement into adverb phrase that he tried with all efforts. So student, you see हमने 3 statement को convert किया adverb phrases में, जो कि पहले सिंगल एडवर्ब थी। चलिए हम अपने चौथे सेंटेंस की तरफ चलते हैं। He spoke eloquently. Eloquently here is an adverb which actually defines or describes the verb spoke. So we can easily answer, or we can easily replace this eloquency with he spoke with eloquence. Now the last statement is did Sarah behave well? We can easily convert that well into adverb phrase that did Sarah behave in a good manner. Now here well is converted into 4-line adverb phrase. Here well is a single adverb, but here well is converted into 4-line adverb phrase. So student, you have seen that we have converted single adverbs into different adverb phrases, and it's so easy to do. If you know what is the concept of adverb phrases, or if you know the concept of phrases, it can be ejective of adverbs. I hope you understand the exercise question of this chapter. My name is Sardar Hamza. I'm your English instructor from tutoria.pk. See you in the next video.